welcome to another video. My name is Deandra. Welcome if it's your first time, welcome back if I've seen you before. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do graphic liner 4 ways. Alright, so for this first look, you can start off with any color, but I'm going to be using the orange shades in the Morphe 350 palette. So now let me just zoom in. Excuse my lack of eyelashes, it's okay, we're going to add some later. And I'm going to start with a paintbrush, actually, that I found around the house. It was clean, but I've noticed to make straight lines in graphic liner. This makes the cream contour slide so much easier on the skin. As you can see right there, I had 2 straight lines. Getting it, dance it out. And now the fun part, we actually start adding the orange. Again, you can add any color, and I love this look because I'm using eyeshadow, so you don't even have to buy any of the new expensive colored eyeliners to get this look. For the final product, I used about 3 layers of the orange eyeshadows to make this opaque look. And here we go. And to kick it up, I'm using the NYX Glitter Brilliance in the color Gold. And I'm gonna add that on top of the eyeliner line that I already have. So it's showing gold and orange. And here is the look. Now everything looks better with lashes. Here we go, a close-up of the look and lashes. This is the completed look. On to the second one. I'm gonna go in with a black NYX pencil eyeliner and I'm gonna fill in my waterline. Here's me crying for proof that I did it. And next I'm going in with a Wet n Wild black liquid eyeliner. And this is the first time that I'm using eyeliner in this look. I'm going to go like I'm making a wing. I'm making the wing extremely thin. And then I start bringing that line into my crease, but still stop on the outer corner. This look was made popular by Bella Hadid, and you can see why. It is everything. Like, look, you can see me, I'm feeling myself. Here's the look with lashes. We're going in again with the same concealer and paintbrush method, except this time the wing is going to be at a significantly higher incline. All right, get that to match. Every time it matches, I do a happy dance. Then I'm gonna put on 3 dots above the actual eyeliner, 1 in the center, 1 on the inner corner, and 1 on the outer corner. So I'm going to be taking the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipsticks in the color Pink Lust to get this look today. Again, you can use any color. This is just another technique that you can use. You can get this look with liquid eyeliner as well. So now I'm just gonna fill that in. Again, it took about 2 or 3 layers to make it opaque. And with the liquid eyeliner, you want it to dry down so you don't accidentally transfer it to your lid. So just be careful of that. And then I fill in the dots, and here is the look. Now it's time for lashes, which look so good. I love this look. It literally looks like a space princess. Like, it's everything. I'm gonna take that line all the way into the inner corner. It doesn't matter if you mess up because I'm gonna show you how to fix that a little bit later. If you lean your head back while you're doing this liner, you're gonna wanna do it above your crease. The higher above your crease you go, the bigger it's gonna make your eyes look, and also the less mistakes that you're gonna make, because when you do it in your crease, the line is oftentimes not gonna be straight. But I did one of my eyes a little too low, so I'm gonna show you how to clean that up. You could always get a Q-tip, but if you're lazy like me, then you can get your eyeliner, wrap it around your makeup wipe that you might have handy, and just clean it up that way. If you want to step up this look, and by the way, If I say step up, I mean add glitter. I'm gonna be using the Get Down palette from NYX's Foil Play collection, and I'm gonna be taking that silver color and filling in the negative space. Here's the difference with it and without it. So you can easily go out with the silver one or make this a day look. Here it is with the lashes. With a sleek back ponytail, this look would be everything. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please give a comment down below on which graphic eyeliner was your favorite. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!